How to apply Lazada Cashback Voucher. In this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure to apply voucher to Lazada. So now what you need is first thing first, open the Lazada app on your device. And what next you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and open the Lazada app. Now on the Lazada app, you have to navigate to the account section from the bottom right corner of the screen and find your saved voucher under My Voucher or similar options. Now, if you're using a cashback service, you could open the platform, click on Lazada, copy the relevant coupon code, and then click the Shop Now button to redirect to the Lazada. Now, you just need to browse the product to Lazada and add your desired items to your shopping cart. Then, what next you need to do is once you're done shopping, you could go to your shopping cart and then click on or check out on the proceed to payment, and you could apply the voucher. At the checkout page, you could look for a field label, enter voucher code or apply button near the summary of your order. Then you could just tap the button to automatically select your saved cashback voucher. And that is how you could apply a Lazada cashback voucher. So that's how it basically works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.